This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bread pan full guide. Preheat your oven and prepare the dough immediately, mixing flour, water, yeast, salt, and oil until combined. Knead the dough until smooth and elastic, then let it rise in a warm spot until doubled. Punch down gently, shape to fit the bread pan, and allow a second rise before baking for a golden crust and tender crumb. Begin by mixing ingredients in a bowl until they form a shaggy mass, then turn the dough onto a floured surface. Knead with the heels of your hands, folding and pushing for 8 to 12 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. If the dough sticks, add a touch more flour or oil your hands lightly. After kneading, shape into a ball, place in an oiled bowl, cover, and let it rise until doubled. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more baking guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker I used here brings your kitchen to life with music while you knead and wait. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and consider using ambient sound to enjoy the process. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After the first rise, gently deflate the dough and shape it to fit your bread pan, tucking seams neatly underneath. Place the shaped loaf into the pan, cover, and let it rise again until slightly domed above the rim. Preheat your oven and bake until the crust turns golden and an instant-read thermometer reads about 190 degrees F in the center. Remove from the oven, cool briefly in the pan, then transfer to a rack to cool completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.